Hi, this is Caitlin from Exhibit Studio. Today we are getting into the holiday spirit with ATCO's Christmas lights display at Spruce Meadows. We are a display design company in Calgary, Alberta, and come along to see what we create. We printed these graphics on ACM, an aluminum composite material, and we started to create the scenery out of painted white MDF. These panels behind the displays are going to hold programmable RGB LEDs throughout the entire display, and there we have our first panels. So a big part of this project is custom lighting. So as you can see there, Connor is soldering some of the wires that will be extended from the rest of the LED strings into the display, and they are essentially individually controlled and programmed. So we're just adding those components so that those little mascots there will light up individually as part of the sequence. So there you see the footsteps, and there we go, now he's lit up. And here is the final display. This was a really fun, festive project from ATCO. We're super happy to be working with them again. And this particular display, along with others, is set up inside a tent that is designed to be walked past, or you can stay in your vehicle and drive past it, so it's accessible for everybody. And the event also has other festivities, including cozy fire pits, a concession tent, so definitely check it out. Thanks for coming along.